Future of Artificial Intelligence. Artificial Intelligence's future is a much debated and conjectured subject. Some researchers predict that AI will develop quickly and eventually outperform human intellect in a variety of jobs, causing profound social upheavals. Others, who are more circumspect, think that AI will evolve more gradually and that its effects on society will be more restrained. Machine learning uses AI. Machine learning is one of the main areas where AI is advancing. The performance of machine learning algorithms may be improved over time by learning from data. Machine learning is anticipated to get better as more data becomes accessible and as the algorithms get more complex. Artificial intelligence, is used in NLP. Natural language processing, NLP, is a significant field of AI development. NLP refers to a computer's capacity to comprehend and produce human language. Virtual assistants, chatbots, and automated customer support platforms are just a few examples of the applications that currently leverage this technology. It is expected that NLP will be employed in increasingly sophisticated applications like language translation as it advances. NLP is used by AI-powered virtual assistants like Apple's Siri and Amazon's Alexa to recognize and carry out spoken instructions. Chatbots. AI-driven chatbots employ natural language processing, NLP, to comprehend and address text-based inquiries, offering automated customer care and assistance. AI-powered language translation software employs natural language processing to translate text across different languages. NLP is used by text-to-speech systems powered by AI to translate written text into speech. Sentiment analysis. AI-driven sentiment analysis employs natural language processing, NLP, to examine and comprehend the feelings and viewpoints represented in text. Language generation. AI-powered language generation systems, such as automated content production, employ NLP to produce text based on an input. Research on NLP is ongoing, and developments in AI are constantly enhancing computers' capacity to comprehend and produce human language. NLP is anticipated to be applied in increasingly intricate applications in the future and will likely have a big influence on sectors including education, e-commerce, and customer service. AI is on the job market. The labor market might be affected by AI in a substantial way. It is conceivable that certain employment will be automated as AI develops and becomes more equipped to carry out activities that were previously completed by humans. It is also feasible that AI may lead to the creation of new kinds of occupations. It is crucial to remember that the way the technology is created and applied will determine how AI affects the labor market. It will be crucial to make sure that the advantages of AI are fairly distributed and that there are rules in place to help those who are impacted by automation. AI will be needed to address the climate catastrophe. The use of artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to be crucial in combating climate change. AI may be applied in a variety of ways to counteract and prepare for the consequences of climate change, including AI may be used to construct models that forecast how climate change would affect various geographic areas. This may be useful information for making judgments regarding managing resources and infrastructure. Climate monitoring. Using AI, a lot of data from weather stations and satellite pictures can be analyzed. Renewable energy. AI may be used to maximize the efficiency and cut costs of renewable energy systems, such as wind and solar power. True personalized medicine will be made possible by AI. By making it possible to analyze vast volumes of medical data and find patterns and insights, artificial intelligence, AI, holds the potential to offer genuinely personalized treatment. Machine learning algorithms are one of the main ways that AI may be applied in personalized medicine. Large volumes of data from electronic health records and clinical trials may be used to train these algorithms. AI may be used, for instance, to pinpoint precise genes or biomarkers linked to a given disease or condition. Healthcare industries. By increasing the effectiveness, precision, and accessibility of medical treatment, artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to completely transform the healthcare sector. AI may be applied in healthcare in a number of different ways, including diagnoses that human radiologists would overlook can be made using AI's analysis of medical pictures including X-rays, CT scans, and MRI scans. With predictive modeling, a lot of patient data, like that found in electronic health records, may be examined to determine the likelihood of upcoming health occurrences. Therapeutic development. To find novel therapeutic targets, AI may be used to analyze vast volumes of data from clinical trials and other sources. Clinical decision support. AI may be used to offer in-the-moment advice to physicians, such as recommending possible treatments or spotting possible diagnostic mistakes. AI can be used to remotely monitor patients and identify possible health problems before they become life-threatening. Planning the course of therapy. AI may be used to examine patient information and scientific literature to make individualized treatment suggestions. AI's effects on society and the environment. The ethical and societal ramifications of AI are a crucial factor as well. As AI develops and has the capacity for decision-making, it is crucial to make sure that the technology is built in a transparent manner. Concerns exist over the possibility of AI being utilized for criminal activities including manipulation, monitoring, or other forms of abuse. As AI advances, it will be crucial for decision-makers, researchers, and business leaders to address these issues. It's crucial to take into account how AI will affect society as a whole. It will be crucial to make sure that AI is employed in ways that benefit society and that its growth is influenced by human values as the technology becomes increasingly interwoven into our daily lives. AI in transportation. By increasing the effectiveness, security, and effectiveness of transportation systems, artificial intelligence, AI, has the potential to revolutionize the transportation sector. There are several applications for AI in the field of transportation, including autonomous vehicles. Using AI, it is possible to have cars drive themselves, potentially lowering the amount of collisions brought on by human mistake. AI may be used to analyze real-time traffic data, optimize traffic flow, and lessen congestion in transportation networks. Public transport. By using AI to schedule and route buses and trains more effectively, public transport networks can operate more effectively. In order to maximize the efficiency of fleets of vehicles, such as delivery trucks and ride-sharing automobiles, artificial intelligence, AI, can be deployed. Logistics. By scheduling and rerouting cargo ships, trains, and trucks, AI may be used to improve supply chain logistics and boost the effectiveness of logistics systems. In summary, society will certainly see considerable improvements and changes as a result of the development of AI. As we endeavor to develop and deploy the technology in a responsible and ethical manner, it is crucial to take into account both the potential advantages and disadvantages of AI. The creation of computers that can think and learn like humans is the ultimate objective of AI research. Did you discover any previously unknown information on artificial intelligence? Hopefully, you did. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.